Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the gear that makes your life smoother. Today, we're talking about one of the best women's raincoats waterproof on the market, the Columbia Women's Arcadia 2 jacket. Whether you're planning a hike in unpredictable weather or just want a stylish, functional layer for your daily commute, this jacket has earned its spot in closets across the globe. Let's see why. The Arcadia 2 is designed with performance and practicality in mind. From the moment you put it on, you'll notice how lightweight it feels, yet it doesn't compromise on protection. It's crafted with 100% nylon on the outside and a 100% polyester mesh lining, striking the perfect balance between durability and breathability. Columbia uses what they call Omni-Tech technology, which basically means you're getting a fully waterproof yet breathable jacket. Unlike cheaper raincoats that trap heat and leave you drenched in sweat, the Arcadia 2 is air permeable. It keeps the rain out while still letting your body breathe, even if you're on the move. It features an adjustable storm hood to keep your head dry when the rain starts coming down sideways, and there's also a drawcord adjustable hem to cinch the jacket close and keep warmth in. The zippered hand pockets are deep enough for your essentials, and the zippers themselves are high quality, smooth and easy to grip, even with gloves on. And here's something really impressive, it's packable. This jacket actually folds up into its own hand pocket, making it the ideal emergency layer to stash in your backpack, suitcase, or even a large purse. For anyone who travels light but still wants full protection, that's a big win. And when the wind picks up, the Arcadia 2 doesn't flap or lose shape, it stays snug and secure. This jacket is not insulated, so it's best paired with a warm layer underneath if you're venturing out in the cold, but that actually makes it more versatile. Use it in summer rain or layer up for winter storms. It adapts. It comes in a wide range of colors and sizes, and Columbia's sizing is true to fit. Whether you're petite or tall, the Arcadia 2 caters to you with clean lines and a feminine cut that doesn't look boxy like many raincoats do. If you're looking for a lightweight, packable, and truly waterproof jacket that holds up in all kinds of weather, the Columbia Women's Arcadia 2 jacket is absolutely worth it. This isn't just rainwear, it's rain gear done right. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Hit that like button if you found this helpful, and subscribe for more gear reviews that cut through the noise. Stay dry, and we'll see you in the next one.